Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to discuss about second bit. First problem: find the direction cosines. Find the direction cosines of the sides of the triangle. Sides of the triangle whose vertices are 3, 5, minus 4, minus 1, 1, 2, and minus 5, minus 2. See here, listen. What is the solution here? Now, what is our given vertices here? Given vertices are A 3, 5, minus 4, B minus 1, 1, 2, C minus 5, minus 5, minus. Now listen, we have to find out the direction cosines. Direction cosines of the sides. What is that? What is the formula? That is x2 minus x1 by square root of sigma x2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y1 by square root of sigma x2 minus x1 whole square, z2 minus z1 by square root of summation of x2 minus x1 whole square. See here, take AB side. AB side direction cosines. What we are getting, the vertices here AB is given, denoted by x1, y1, z1 and x2, y2, z2. What is x2 here? Minus 1 minus x1 is 3 by square root of x2 minus x1 whole square means minus 1 minus 3 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square means 1 minus 5 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square 2 minus minus 4 whole square. And next one, see here, y2 minus y1. What is y2 here? 1 minus 5 by square root of minus 1 minus 3 whole square plus 1 minus 5 whole square plus 2 minus of minus 4 whole square. The next one, z2 minus z1. What is z2 here? 2 minus of minus 4 by square root of minus 1 minus 3 whole square plus 1 minus 5 whole square plus 2 minus of minus 4 whole square. Now see what we are getting here. This is equals to minus 1 minus 3. It's nothing but minus 4. The square root of minus 1 minus 3 minus 4 whole square plus 1 minus 4 whole square plus 2 minus into minus plus 4 whole square. And here also 1 minus 4, 5, that is 1 minus 4. The square root of denominator is same. Minus 4 whole square is nothing but 16. 16. 2 plus 4 whole square is nothing but 6 square. Is nothing but 36. Next one, 2 plus 4 is nothing but 6 square root of 16 plus 16 plus 36. This is equals to minus 4 by square root of 16 plus 16 plus 36. Here also minus 4 by square root of 16 plus 16 plus 36. 6 by square root of 16 plus 16 plus 26. This is equals to what we are getting here, minus 4 by square root of root 16 plus 16, how much that is 32 plus 36 is nothing but what, that is 68 minus 4 by root 68 or 6 by root 68 root 68. Okay, so how we can write this is result. Now this is equals to minus 4 by root 68 means how we can write, that is 2 root 70. Now here also minus 4 by 2 root 70 and 6 by 2 root 70. 2 1 ja 2 2 ja 2 1 ja 2 2 ja 2 1 ja 2 3 ja minus 2 by root 70 minus 2 by root 70 3 by root 70. Now these are the direction cosines of the sides AB. Okay, this is what basis of side AB. And next we have to find out. Next we have to side direction cosines of the side BC. So by using the same formula here, what we are getting now? See the same process. See now, this is equals to direction cosines of the side BC. Take the B and C. Now this is denoted by some x2, y2, z2, and you take this is what, x1, y1, z1. What we are getting here, x2 minus x1 means what we are getting now, C. Minus 5, or x1 minus x2 also you take, minus 5 plus 1 by square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. And next what? Another side, that is what? y2 minus y1. See here what we are getting here, minus 5 minus 1 by square root of denominator is same, minus 5 plus 1 whole square plus minus 5 minus 1 whole square plus minus 2 whole square. Next one, z2 minus z1. So what we are getting here, minus 2 by square root of minus 5 plus 1 whole square plus minus 5 minus 1 whole square plus minus 2 whole square. So this is equals to minus 5 plus 1, how much that is, minus 4 by square root of minus 5 plus 1 whole square is nothing but minus 4 square is 16. Here minus 5 minus 1 minus 6 whole square is nothing but 36. Minus 2 minus 4 whole square is nothing but 16. Here minus 5 minus 1 is nothing but minus 6. See, the denominator is same. What is the denominator here? 16 plus 36 plus 16. The next here, minus 2 that is minus 4 by square root of 16 plus 36 plus 60. See now what we are getting here. So this is equals to minus 4 by square root of 16 plus 16, how much that is? 32. 32 plus 36, how much that is? 68. Now here also minus 6 by root 68 minus 4 by root 68. This is equals to, how we can write here, minus 4 by root 68 means what, that is 2 root 17 minus 6 by 2 root 17 minus 4 by 2 root 7. 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 ones are 2 threes are 2 ones are 2 twos are. So what we are getting here, direction cosines of the side BC. See now, direction cosines of the side BC is, how much that is, minus 2 by root 17 minus 3 by root 17 minus 2 by root 17. So now these are the direction cosines of the side BC. Next we have to find out the direction cosines of the side CA. Do the same process this is also. What we are getting CA. See now, next BCs of the side CA. Already we find the direction cosines of the side AB and BC. Already we find. Next we have to find direction cosines of the side CA. So what we are getting here, C, by using the same formula here. Now you take, this is what C is denoted by x2, y2, z2. What is x2 here? Minus 5 minus x1 means 3 by square root of x2 minus x1 square means minus 5 minus 3 square plus minus 5 minus 5 whole square minus 2 plus 4 whole square. Next what? y2 minus 5. What is y2 here? Minus 5 minus y1 5 by square root of, the denominator is same, minus 5 minus 3 whole square minus 5 minus 5 whole square minus 2 plus 4 whole square. Next what? z2 minus z1. What is z2 here? That is minus 2 minus, what is z1? Minus 4 by square root of minus 5 minus 3 whole square minus 5 minus 5 whole square minus 2 plus 4 whole square. And what we are getting here, C. So this is equals to minus 5 minus 3. How much that is? Minus 8 by square root of, what is the denominator here? Minus 5 minus 3 is nothing but minus 8 square minus 5 minus 5 minus 10 whole square minus 2 plus 4, that is 2 square. Next what? Minus 5 minus 5 is nothing but how much? Minus 10. The square root of minus 8 square plus minus 10 square plus 2 square. And next what? Minus 2 plus 4 is nothing but 2. By the denominator is same. Minus 8 square plus minus 10 square plus 2 square. Now what we are getting here? Now this is equals to minus 8 by square root of, minus 8 square means that is 64 minus 10 square means 100 plus 4. This is minus 10 by square root of 64 plus 100 plus 4. Here also same, 3 by square root of 64 plus 100 plus 4. This is equals to, what we are getting here? Minus 8 by square root of, this is 164 plus 4. How much that is? Root 168. This is minus 10 by root 168. 2 by root 168. So what we are getting here? Minus 8 by root 168 means, we can write this is minus 8 by here 4 root okay. Right now same this is what minus 8 by this is direction cosines of the side CA. So now this is what 4 root 42. So write down same this is minus 8 by root 168. This is what minus 10 by root 168 and 2 by root 168. So this is the direction cosines of the side CA. So next we have to find now this is minus 8 by how we can write this is 2 root 42 minus 10 by 2 root 42 2 by 2 root 42 2 1 ja 2 4 ja 2 1 ja 2 5 ja minus 4 by root 42 and minus 5 by root 42 2 gets cancelled, that is 1 by root 42. So these are the direction cosines of the side CA. So this is the process for finding the direction cosines of the given triangle. See the next problem. Problem number 2. Show that the lines PQ and RS, PQ and RS are parallel, where P, Q, R, S are the points 2, 3, 4. Next 4, 7, 8. Next 1, -1, -2, 1, and 1 to 5 respectively. See here, what is given here? The given points are denoted by some. Take this is T. What is the first point? That is 2, 3, 4. And the second point, that is 4, 7, 8. And what is the third point here? -1, -2, 1. And next, what is fourth point? That is 1 to 5. First we have to find out direction ratios, means DRs, direction ratios of PQ. What is the formula? That is x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2. Now what is the direction ratios of PQ here? Means what is the formula here? x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, and z2 minus z2. This is equals to, what is x2 here? x2 is nothing but 4. Now 4 minus 2. What is y2? 7 minus y1, 3. What is z2? 8 minus 4. 4 minus 2 is nothing but 2. 4, 4. This is direction ratios of PQ. Next we have to find out the direction ratios of RS. DRs of RS. Now what is the formula? x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. What is x2 here? Now here we take this is denoted by x1, y1, z1, and this is x2, y2, z2. Now what is x2 minus x1 here? That is 1 minus of minus 1. What is y2? 2 minus of minus 2. And next, what is z2? 5 minus of 1. Now we have 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2, 5 minus 1. 1 plus 2 is 1 is nothing but 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 5 minus 1, that is 4. Now your direction ratios of PQ is equals to direction ratios of RS. So now therefore PQ equals to PQ and RS are parallel lines. Are parallel lines. So now both the direction ratios are same here. Then PQ equals what? That is RS. So therefore the lines PQ and RS are parallel. So now this is the next problem. See what is next one. Find the direction cosines Find the direction cosines of two lines which are connected by the relations L minus phi m plus 3n equals to 0 and 7n square plus 5m square minus 3n square equals to 0. See, this is important problem for 7 marks.